everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today it will be our resting day. Let's get started with I cannot say a cup of coffee because it's very pretty big bag. Anyway, today we are in Victory Monument area and we are going to try the famous bột noodle. This place named Ruathong. This is a normal style when you eat the bột Thai noodle because it will come with a small portion and you can order from many kind of the flavors and the taste you like with very cheap price. It's maybe around 20 baht or 25 baht per plate. Let's move to the next place. The next place is Onsen Spa. Before you go to the lobby, they will ask you to change your shoes first. The shoe is very cute, it's very Japanese. We booked a public onsen, but it will be separate between female and men. They will give you a yukata suit for you to change and using in the onsen. I cannot record inside the onsen because it's not allowed. They don't even allow to bring your phone into the onsen. Actually, that's fine for me. I just want to get some rest without technology. When you finish your onsen, you can go around the spa area. It has very nice and quiet place. It has cafeteria and you can also book for the massage as well. They don't sell alcohol though, but I feel like I want some beer, so I just order the non-alcohol beer. Yeah, the food here is also Japanese style. This one is mango with salmon, which is very strange for me, but it tastes good. In here, I saw that they also have a skylight. But to be honest, it's very hard to find out where it is. We couldn't find the skylight, but we found the rooftop bar instead. It's very nice. It looks so calm, so cozy. And it's actually quite quiet here. Most people come here for work, but he just want a nap. Let's get moving to the next place. There is craving for fire bases, so that's why we came here to Phed Mark at Ekamai. I ordered minced pork with the spicy level in medium. I like to add a little bit of chili fish sauce on top of the egg. The way of eating this is you need to break the yolk and then you mix the yolk with the rice and the meat. For me, it tastes better this way. We are at Benchakitti Park.เขาลุกอัพมานั่งวันหนึ่งเดี๋ยวเราจะเสียฟอง They turn on the fountain in the night. It's very beautiful. This is Queen Sirikit National Convention Center. This center is actually inside of the Benchakitti Park. And normally they will have some exhibition arranged in their hall. This place is around us, so you can come here by BTS as well. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, give me some like or share. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.